while you have the advantage.
Come here! Come here to rip me off, huh?
Wait. It's you.
I don't know how you found me, but you shouldn't be here. You killed my wife.
No, I didn't do that. That was someone else.
Doesn't matter!
You'll need to be a little faster than that.
Why are you making me do this?
Let me know if you need my help, Gray.
Stop! Help!
I need your permission to operate independently.
Permission granted!
Thank you.
Okay, it's done. What are we doing, man?
Just relax.
Oh, God, dear! Oh, look, man, stay down, please. Please don't get up. Please don't get up. Please. Stay down, man. Just Sam, he's got a knife! Sam!
I can see that. We have a knife too.
You stabbed him! You're trying to piss him off? Okay. All right, so what's the plan? What are we doing? Stop him!